Hello, these tutorials learn how you can turn off firewall on your Windows 11 machine. Let's begin. Hello, my name is Edmond Sakwade. In this video, I'll show you how you can turn off your Windows 11 firewall. So to start, on your taskbar, click on Start button, then in the search field, type Control Panel. Click on Control Panel. A window will pop up, then click on Windows Defense Firewall. This will allow you to turn off firewall on your Windows 11. Click on Turn off firewall, then you untick it, then click OK. This will turn off your Windows 11 firewall. If you are new to this channel and you are not yet subscribed, then click on the subscribe button and tap on the bell icon so that you do not miss our next video.